Suze, and this poster is about Science Explorer and how we can better connect research across Earth and space science. Research today is more connected than ever in terms of ideas, questions, and challenges, but the infrastructure that we use to access it often isn't. We're working across fragmented platforms with different systems for data, publications, funding, and researcher identity. There's more knowledge than ever before, but it's not always easy to navigate. User experiences vary, and discovering relevant work outside your own field can be surprisingly difficult. So even though the science itself is interdisciplinary, the systems supporting it are still quite siloed. And that means that interdisciplinary science is often harder than it should be. This is where SciX comes in. SciX is a discovery platform designed to support all of NASA's science and the broader research ecosystem around it. What you're seeing here is the SciX search interface. It allows you to search broadly across disciplines or weight your results depending on your area of interest. You can explore multiple types of information from research outputs to funding opportunities, all in one place. You can also create a free account, connect your ORCID, build libraries, and personalize your experience. The key idea is that SciX doesn't replace existing research resources, it connects them, making it easier to navigate the wider research landscape. SciX builds on more than 3 decades of experience from the NASA Astrophysics Data System, which many researchers already know and trust. What's new is that this approach is now expanding across the full NASA Science Mission Directorate, including Earth science, planetary science, heliophysics, and beyond. SciX connects people, open science resources, funding opportunities, and research outputs, and it does this at the level of metadata, linking information across systems and helping to disambiguate researchers and institutions, creating meaningful connections between different parts of the research ecosystem. The result is a shift from a fragmented landscape to a more connected knowledge network, where discovery is easier and research can have greater impact. So why does this matter? Well, the challenges that we're trying to address don't sit within a single discipline. So with tools like SciX, researchers can discover work beyond their own field, find new collaborators, and connect data, people, and ideas more effectively. And it doesn't just benefit researchers, it helps society address complex global challenges, from climate systems to space weather to planetary risk. Better discovery leads to better science and ultimately bigger impact. But building this kind of infrastructure is only part of the story. Adopting interdisciplinary workflows is not just a technical challenge, it's a cultural one as well. Scaling from ADS to SciX means engaging multiple research communities, each with their own practices, expectations, and needs. Trust and familiarity are essential. Features have to work within existing workflows. Fair and open science principles only succeed when they're embedded into how people actually work. And interdisciplinary discovery depends on shared language, shared practices, and ongoing collaboration. So one of the key lessons here is that infrastructure alone doesn't change culture. Community engagement does. That's why meaningful engagement is central to SciX. It helps embed open and fair principles into everyday practice, making data easier to reuse and connect, and increasing the real-world impact of research. It also closes the loop between users, tools, and outcomes, making sure the platform evolves in response to real needs. We're not just building SciX for the community, we're building it with the community. So this is where you come in. If you're here in person, I'd love you to leave a note and tell us what SciX could do for you. If you're not here in Vienna, get in touch with us at SciX Community across all social media platforms. SciX is built by scientists for scientists, and that includes you. So we'd love you to be involved on this journey with us. Thank you so much.